We got zero movement. I mean, other than, you know, little stuff up here, right? Right? So letting you see. Now, I'm going to get on this side of it, which it'll probably start moving as a result of my moving, which it is. Now one of our neighbors is coming out. You can probably hear that. I hate it when that happens. You have to sit in front of it like this. My point was to show the side movement. It's better to always show it from the side, so that way you can get a viewpoint of like the macro movement. Now you're only seeing the front, but if you get the side, you can see how it affects everything, right? So, here we go. Begin the process of getting all of that stirred up. Now notice, that's just building and getting stronger, right? And let's just make sure while that's still happening, see that? No fans. And notice, at this point, it's only moving when I come across, but it's not going in that full blast mode that it was. And here shortly, once I have done what I've done, it'll calm all the way down to nothing. Right now I'm only using the residual effects of the blasting that I just did. Otherwise, it won't do much of anything. Now, the fact that I'm breathing again means I'm kind of cranking it back again. But again, if I choose not to do anything, you're going to get residual movements for a little bit. But as you can clearly see, it's calming down. See those little residual movements as I'm pulling it down now? When I say residual energy, that's the energy that I built up in the environment when I started blasting. And those were small blasts, by the way. But again, it's clear that it's slowing down. And now that the only energy that remains is what I'm doing when I'm pulling that little bit down again. You can see it's kind of still going from the top. So if I put my hands up there and wiggle and then come all the way down, that will respond. There's still a bunch of purple. I don't know, I doubt that you can see it. But there's still a bunch of purple that's all around this area that I can go reach in, grab that purple, and pull it down. But what I did was I filled that whole space with it, okay? And it's all still there, but it's no longer animated. In order to animate it, I just have to reach in again, see? And then if I wiggle my fingers down that, it'll respond still, but it's not responding in the same fashion as it was. Now, that should give you a good idea. See that? And see, the best part about what's happening is it's literally responding to those tiny movements that I'm doing now. Or it'll literally respond if I drape my hands and go all the way down, it'll still respond to that because there's still enough there for it to respond to. But now it's slowly fading away. In order for me to get it all back the same way that it was, I would have to start that breathing process again. Okay? Like I said, I can still do these little residuals. But it's not filled with the same energy signature that it was. Okay, that's 7 minutes of this. All right, that's enough.